Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we will try to understand about binary incrementer. So, in our previous classes where we have discussed about resistors and resistor transfer language, there we have said that a resistor can be provided with an independent control called increment whenever the increment value is 1. So, whenever the increment value is 1, whenever the value of increment input is 1, the value in this resistor will be incremented by 1. So what happens within this resistor is this value will get changed to 0 1 1 0. It will get converted into 0 0 1 1 0, which means that the value in this resistor will get incremented. There we have also said that we are going to discuss about the circuit of this increment in our later classes. In this class we will try to understand about the circuit of the binary incrementer, and every video in our class is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts, and the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Now coming to this class, let's try to understand the circuit for binary incrementer. So this is the circuit for binary incrementer. See here, so it is having four half adders, and the logic of half adder has already been discussed in our digital logic design course, which is a prerequisite for this course. Please watch that course and come back here. And here we are having half adders, four half adders, and one of the input, the first least most significant half adders, one of the input is 1. So in order to add a value 1 to the given value, so the value is 0 1 0 1. So for this to add the 1, we have provided one of the input as 1, and the next two inputs of the next half adders is the carry that is generated by the sum of these two values will be provided as the input to the next half adder. Similarly, the carry of this is provided as the input to the next half adder, and this this is the carry out. So now with this circuit we are going to increment the value that is stored in a resistor. Let's try to understand this. See here the value of A0 is 1 and the value of A is 0, A2 is 1, and here the value is 0. Whenever the first 1 plus 1 is going to be the first least most significant half adder is going to produce a sum of 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 and the carry is 1. Okay, and this one will be transferred here as the input for this, and here we are having 0 plus 1, sum as 1 and the carry as 0, and this carry here 1 plus 0 again 1, and this is a carry of 0, and here the carry is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, and the carry is also a 0. So the final output is the incremented value is 0 1 1 0, 0 1 1 0. If we increment, the decimal equivalent of this is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6, and the binary equivalent of 6 is 0 1 1 0. Okay, so this is the circuit for binary incrementer. So within the resistor, in order to implement the increment option, in order to increment the value that is stored in the resistor, this circuit, by using this circuit we can implement this. Normally what we will do is we will use counters. So in order to use a resistor exclusively to increment the values, we use counters. But instead, if you want to use another circuit, another kind of circuit to use this incrementation of the resistor values, so this is the circuit by using half adders. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is very much helpful to you, please give us a like symbol, and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.